Thomas and the jet engine. Thomas likes to go fast. Gordon thinks he is faster. Thomas must take a jet engine to the airport. The jet engine goes by pushing hot air out its back. It is like a balloon full of air. When you let it go, off it zooms. Cranky does not look. His hook bumps the switch. Click! The jet engine starts up. Vroom, vroom. The jet engine rockets Thomas up the track. Zoom, zoom. Clear the lines. Runaway train. Thomas passes Percy. Whoosh. Thomas passes Henry. Whoosh. Hi, Gordon. Vroom. Bye, Gordon. Zoom. At last, the jet engine runs out of fuel. Phew! Thomas chuffs to the airport on his own steam. Peep, peep. Back at the shed, Gordon ignores Thomas. Gordon may not be a jet engine, but he is full of hot air.